Let me show you around this laundry factory. This factory just completed the conveyor installation. We installed an overhead drying conveyor here. Drying room conveyor. First sorting and second sorting order assembly system. Now, let me show you the equipment installed on site. This is the overhead drying conveyor. It is 100 meters long. This area is the washing zone and the dry cleaning zone. The overhead drying conveyor uses a unilateral slope on both sides. It can handle both washing and hanging simultaneously. This is the drying room. This room has not been partitioned yet. Okay, over here. This is the tunnel dryer. Tunnel dryer. After the clothes come out, we send them to the quality inspection station at the workstation. The workstation quality inspection table is here. Then, after passing through the quality inspection, they are sent to various stations for pressing and finishing. The finishing section currently has the pants pressing machine installed. Utility press. Form finisher. All pressing machines will be installed later. This is the packaging machine. Fully automatic packaging machine and fully automatic conveying screw. After packaging, it enters our first sorting process. First sorting process. After first sort, then it goes into secondary sort.